Hey everyone, how's it going today? Wanted to show you a video here. These are the 2018 fog bezels. No, they're not going on my 17, they're for my friend's 18 who has the WRX. And what you do whenever you buy these is it comes with a portion on the back here that is supposed to help with airflow, but I don't understand any of this. So what I did was actually just take a razor blade and cut it off. You can see there's 1, 2, 3. Once you cut 2 tabs, you can just bend and it breaks off on the 3rd. But what our plan is to wire up some fog lights, have the harness here, as well as the fog lights, to put these behind this section and let them shine through. So that's the goal for this job. We may have to do some special fitting to get this behind here if it turns out that it bumps whenever you put the bezel in, but we'll work to get it all figured out. I wanted to show you as well as the part numbers. Right here is one, here is the other. So with these STI fog light bezels, the back was pulled off, which I had shown you before. What I'm doing now is just dremeling these little tabs flush with the actual bezel itself. Pretty simple to do, it's just plastic, but that way we're going to be able to gain the most clearance up against the actual fog light itself, which is going to sit here. Alright, so we have the actual fog light in now. It didn't come with its own hardware, so we just put 2 screws on the side. We may put one on the other side, just depending on how much these tighten up and actually hold this secure, because we don't want it wobbling. And I have the bezel here, and I already test fitted it. It fits on really well. I'm going to pop it on now once I get this plastic off, and I'll show you what it looks like. Now I have the fog bezel back on. You can see hidden down in here we have the fog light. We're going to get to the wiring here in a moment, and I'll give you an update on how we're routing it. Whenever you're getting to this spot here, you're going to pop out the side piece, start at the bottom, pry it out, and then there's a little Phillips head screw. You take the screw out, this just pulls down and you unclip these. It's pretty easy, that's why I didn't show it here on camera. Now for this spot, this box is already taken out, but this is fitting flush inside the vehicle. You're gonna use some little pliers, pull out the tabs that are actually connected to it, and then there's a 10mm screw that you take out, and you can slowly wiggle this piece around. The reason why you do this, let's see if I can get in here. Yeah, you can see the hole right there. That's where you're gonna run it through.
This is K-Rod WRX over at WRX Snowboarders Garage, and we're working on my 2018 WRX. We are currently hooking up some fog lights on some STI bezels, and the harness that came with the fog lights was garbage. So I'm actually fabbing a custom wiring kit for these fog lights to operate on my base 18 WRX. The current wires that I've ran right now are, one is a load wire that goes into the switch. It'll be a 3-phase switch or a 3-way switch, or actually a 2-way switch with illumination on it, so it'll light up blue to match the car. So currently I have ran a power wire and also the load wire, which will be the fog lights, and that's the current process of this moment right now.
This is a switch that we have here. It's a little bit bigger than this opening, but for others that come with that switch, you can fit it here. You basically just unclip a piece and that'll pop out. With ours, we have the positive on here, the load, and then the negative there at the bottom. So should just be a quick little flip to turn the fogs on and off, which I actually like a little bit better than trying to push something in and pushing it out. So you can see with this pattern that it puts a little bit of kind of like a spider web look on the ground. Actually looks pretty cool to me. But we successfully got these bezels in, the fog lights behind them. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below and I'll answer you, usually pretty quick. As always, happy driving and enjoy.